Welcome to the first lesson, Hardware. The first lesson in this module will introduce you to the concept of ICT hardware. In this lesson, you will learn about the different types of computers. You will also learn about the different parts of a computer. To understand hardware, we must first understand computers. A computer is an electronic device used to store and process data. A computer enables users to work smarter and faster. A computer may be used for several purposes: creating and editing documents, executing commands, enabling communication, and managing and processing of data. Click each task to learn more about it. A computer enables you to create, format, and edit documents, such as reports, spreadsheets, presentations, and graphic images. A high volume of repetitive tasks can be processed efficiently by computers. Computers enable global communication using email, instant messaging, social networking applications, and programs. These applications and programs require access to the Internet. Computers help you to manage, process, store, and access data. Today, computers are a part of everyday life. They are used in the workplace, schools, universities, hospitals, banks, shopping malls, libraries, and government agencies. Computers have evolved over time to meet the ever-changing needs and requirements of society. Traditional computer use has changed from being desk-bound to being mobile and always-on. Computers come in different shapes and sizes, ranging from bulky desktop computers to small handheld devices like smartphones and tablets. Computer devices can be broadly categorized according to their size or usage into four main categories: desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Click Next to learn about these devices in detail. A desktop computer comprises a system unit, a screen, a keyboard, and a mouse. It may have other accessories like speakers, printers, and scanners. It is normally placed on a desk or a table and is not easily portable. Desktops are most frequently used for ergonomic comfort when at a fixed workplace or location. The large screen of the desktops and the keyboard make data input easier. Laptops are portable, handy, and lightweight computers with an integrated keyboard and mouse pad. They are designed for use while mobile. Powered by batteries and Wi-Fi enabled, these devices reduce the use of cables to a minimum. The battery life of a laptop plays a crucial role in its functioning, as it determines how long the laptop will run when not connected to the main power supply. Laptops are popular among business professionals, writers, and students who are on the move. Tablets can be defined as a type of handheld mobile computer, typically comprising a touch-enabled screen or pointing device-enabled interface. The touchscreen tablets can be operated using your fingers, while the pen-enabled tablets have a pen known as a stylus for interactions. Tablets come in different screen sizes, varying from 7 inches to 10 inches. Tablet computers are very popular and used by almost everyone. In addition to tablets, smartphones are very popular. These handheld computer devices are designed to fit in the palm of your hand. They are equipped with touch-enabled screens, while some may also have a separate keypad interface. Just like other types of computers, smartphones allow you to perform various functions. You can use them for communication, managing and processing information, and much more. Since smartphones allow you to perform tasks without having to sit at a desk, they are fast gaining an advantage over other types of computers. Knowledge check. Select your answer and then click Submit. Correct answer. Correct answer. Now that you have an understanding of computers and types of computing devices, let us learn about hardware. Hardware refers to all the physical components of a computer. It includes all input devices, processing devices, storage devices, and output. Practical exercises. Use the mouse to drag and drop each piece of hardware to its name. Correct answer. A computer has various parts or components, and each part performs a specific function. These parts can be classified as input devices, output devices, and internal components. Input devices are used for providing information or instructions to the computer. Output devices are used to transfer data out of the computer in the form of text, images, sounds, or any other media. Some devices are now both input and output devices. Examples include modems, scanners, and touch. Practical exercises. Identify input and output devices. Input devices are any. An output. Knowledge check. Let us now learn about the processing units in a computer. You may store your data in other places and in other ways than on the capacity of storage devices is measured in units called bytes. The storage capacity taken by data depends on how complex the data is. Imagine that one speck on a dot in a picture is approximately 1 bit. A simple document, such as one-page letter, might use 30 kilobytes of space, whereas a music track may use 3 megabytes of space. The bigger the storage capacity of the hard drive, the more space it has for storing data. For example, a computer with hard drive capacity of 1 terabyte could store up to 1,000 digital video recordings. There are several types of storage devices, including hard disks, USB flash drives, cloud storage, and SD cards. Click each type of storage device to learn more about it. A hard disk is the primary storage device in a computer. It is made up of rapidly rotating disks that are covered with a magnetic material. Hard disks are of 2 types, internal and external. Hard disks come in various sizes and storage capacities. A universal serial bus, or USB, is a small portable storage device used for transferring and storing data. A USB is durable and easy to use. USBs are getting smaller in size and larger in storage capacities by the day. The latest USB drives can store up to 2 terabytes. Finally, the overall performance of a computer system depends upon various factors such as CPU speed or clock speed, RAM size, hard disk type, graphics card, and the number of applications running simultaneously. It's important to take into consideration these factors when it comes to the performance of a computer. Click each factor to learn how it affects a computer's performance. Knowledge check. Select your answer and then the various hardware devices we discussed earlier are connected to the computer devices through ports. Computer ports are connection points used for interfacing with other peripheral devices. There are several types of computer ports, like USB ports, HDMI ports, and network ports. Click each type of port to learn more about it. A USB or Universal Serial Bus port is a standard cable connection interface on personal computers and consumer electronics such as televisions, video consoles, and audio systems. USB ports are used to connect devices via USB cables. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. It is a digital interface for transmitting audio and video data via a single cable. It is supported by high-definition TVs, DVD players, Blu-ray players, and the latest gaming consoles and projectors. The network port on your laptop or computer is used to connect it to a wired network. The standard network cable for this connection is referred to as an Ethernet cable. Of course, these days you can also connect your computer to a network by wireless means. In the case of wireless access, the network cable is not required. Practical exercises. Select your answer and then click Submit. Correct answer. End of the chapter. Well done. You have completed the lesson Hardware. In this lesson, you learnt about the different types of computer. You also learned about the different parts of a computer and their usage. Finally, you also learned about the different storage devices and their uses, as well as the different computer ports.